Hey Hoover! It's me, Iguana.
And I'm Spring.
And Creek.
And Glacier.
And we just wanted to say we missed you all so much when y'all were out here at Camp Tecumseh. We had so much fun. Remember, we did things like we explored Ghost Creek.
And we explored the pine forest.
We went to the nature center and learned about food webs.
Went to the oak forest and explored.
Yep, and we got to do those cool things like we were in the lake, we got to canoe, we got to do archery, all that fun stuff.
We just wanted to tell you guys we had such a fun time. We hope you're having a great rest of your school year. Bye-bye!
Bye!